everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. This is actually a project for the Not Too Shabby monthly challenge. And the challenge this month is to make a, what was she calling it? Like a paper bag card. Really easy to do. I'm actually using this new stamp set I actually got from Not Too Shabby. It's a waffle flower called Sending Love, and I also have the dies. It's very, sometimes I find their stamps to be expensive. This one I think was a really good price, and it's really cute. So to make a card, it's really easy. I have a lot of these celebrated paper sacks, but you can use a regular lunch sack. And all you do is just fold it. Some people have done it this way as well, but I don't really like that as much. So it's really easy to make. Let me go ahead and show you. I've got some pop-ups. So all I did was tie some twine around it to keep it closed. And so you undo the twine. Like this. And so here is the front of it. I just used some paper from my Valentine's stash. I cut, and I think this is the halftone hearts from Alt New. And just cut some gray paper, and then I have on foam tape my cute little mouse girl, and then the big hugs inside. And then when you open it, this is the stamp is from this set, but this little die cut, this is from the monthly kit from La La Land. And then I have a little tag right here. This is just a note. A place for a message, and then right here you've got like a place for a gift card, some chocolate, or you can do a little gift in here, picture, whatever you want to put in the sack. And then here is the bag. Super easy, fun way. I've made these cards before, and they are really fun and easy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.